Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
Time to get my workout in.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating all the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
Hey guys, it's Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a productive morning. Woke up kind of early-ish, worked out, showered, and here we are. So I'm just gonna head downstairs for breakfast now. But before that, a while back I posted about how I got a new vlogging camera, which is the Sony ZV-1, which is what I'm using right now. And in that video, I spoke about how this is kind of like a tight frame. When you're vlogging, you ideally want like a wider angle frame. And when I bought this camera, I obviously knew it is like a tight frame. But I came across this one attachable lens, which you can just attach onto this camera and it makes it a wide angle lens. That lens unfortunately isn't available in India, but somehow I managed to get my hands on it, and the lens is here finally. It just got here and I'm gonna attach this and see what a difference it makes. Did that make any difference? Wow, you can actually see like so much more in the frame. So excited for this upgrade to my camera. I think this is like perfect. So much more you can see in the frame, and this also has like a macro lens, so it's like a 2-in-1 lens. You remove one part and it becomes like a macro lens. So I'm yet to experiment with that. But anyway, super hungry right now. Let's go get some breakfast. So for breakfast today, we've got ragi dosa, this sambar, chutney and some badam. And Amma is back on my channel again. The garden video बहुत लोगों को अच्छा लगा. आपने देखे comments और वो सब?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Thank you for your comments, nice comments.
Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but
So I'm out here on my garden. I've got my iPad with me, so I'm just gonna sit and plan my day. Also, I've started drinking black coffee lately. This is like a new development in my life. For a very long time, I've wanted to be someone who likes black coffee, and every time I've tried black coffee, it just tastes so bitter. But recently, a brand sent me this coffee, and it just tastes amazing. So I'm really enjoying black coffee.
the stars don't shine when it's day.
So today is a Tuesday and it's kind of like a regular work day for me. So I'm basically planning out what all work I need to get done today. So of course I'm filming this vlog, so there's that. But that'll just keep happening throughout the day. So apart from that, I also want to edit this one video. I'm trying to plan this whole like new series. Maybe I'll talk about it later when I sit down to edit. But yeah, I just need to figure that out. And then we're making sushi for dinner, so that's exciting. You'll see that in this vlog. Also, I have like a bunch of work calls, and I'm also working on this like big project on the side, so I have to work for that as well.
How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away.
Just sitting down to do some work now, but some of my Amazon packages arrived, so I thought why not do a quick haul. I've already unboxed the stuff, but recently there was the Prime Day sale, so I did a bit of shopping, mostly tech stuff. So I thought I'll quickly show you guys what all I shopped. So first things first, I got this. This I actually bought like last month, I think. This is the Instax Mini 11, which I think was launched just like earlier this year, so it's the new model. And I've always wanted a Polaroid camera, but I just feel like this is kind of a useless purchase. The camera itself is not expensive, but the film for this is super expensive. Like I think a pack of 10 comes for 600 bucks or 500 bucks. So per photo, you're paying like 50 rupees, which is a lot of money. But anyway, I finally feel like I can afford these random purchases. So I got myself this, and I also got like a 4-pack film of 10 photos each. So basically you can take 40 shots with this. And this I got for 1500 rupees on sale. So per photo now I'm paying like 37 rupees, I think, if I'm not wrong. So this itself is not so expensive. I think I got this for 4500 rupees, but this is what kills you with a Polaroid camera. I also bought like a photo book for my Polaroid photos. So far I've only taken like 5 photos, but basically to like store all my Polaroid photos, I got this photo book because I don't think I'll be hanging all of them, and if I'm spending like 50 rupees per photo, I might as well store it well. Then I got myself a ring light, which is what I'm using right now. I've never owned ring lights or any kind of lighting, so all my vlogs until this point have just been with natural light. And even now, I don't think I needed a ring light as such, but I suppose it's a useful thing to have. And on sale, it was for like 1000 rupees, I think. This is a smaller one. Then I got myself a hard drive. I feel like every time there's a sale, I end up buying a hard drive. I own so many hard drives. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have a 5th one also somewhere in here. Yeah, I've got this row. 5. So I own a ton of hard disks, but if you're doing what I'm doing, you have a lot of data and you kind of need hard disks to back up all your footage. So I got this 5 TB WD one. It says it's for 12,267, but I think I got it for around 7,000 rupees, which is a good deal. I also picked up another hard drive. This isn't a hard drive actually, it's an SSD. It's the Samsung T7 500 GB one. So I only got this like a couple of weeks ago, but I've been doing all my editing on this and it is super fast, so I just use this for editing purposes. I picked up like some workout gear, so I've got resistance bands and a foam roller, and yeah, I think that's pretty much everything that I bought. Lately I've been very good with like not spending my money unnecessarily, so usually I make like a list of all the things I need, and whenever there's a sale I only like look for those things and buy those. So yes, I've been saving a lot of money that way. But anyway, let's get down to working now. So I'm just sitting down to edit a video. Rather, I'm just trying to figure out this new series I'm working on, and it's related to traveling, but it's not really any new trip that I'm planning. So a lot of people keep asking me every time I post a video when I'm going to be traveling next, and I know a lot of like people have started traveling, and somehow I just like don't feel so safe traveling. I know like if you take precautions it's probably going to be okay, but it just doesn't seem like a risk I want to take, especially because I'm living at home now with my parents and my grandparents. Of course I miss traveling, but I think I can do a little longer without traveling, and hopefully you guys can understand as well. I have a wedding to attend of one of my closest friends in December, so I will be traveling then, but before that I don't think I'm planning any trips as such. But talking about this series, I basically have a ton of unused footage from all my trips, so I thought maybe I should just go through that footage and create like a whole series of like uncut videos from those trips. For example, like my Iceland trip, I know for a fact I have like so much unused footage, so I just want to make like something not super cinematic but more raw and candid, and just like a montage of all those clips from the trip that you haven't seen before. So I don't know, let me know if that's a good idea, and if you have like a series name in mind for that. I've thought of a couple of names, but your ideas are welcome, so leave them in the comments below. And yeah, right now I'm just planning to go through the footage from my Sikkim trip and see if I can make like a video out of all the unused content. So wish me luck.
Hopelessly, why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad.
So I'm being sent out of my room by Vikram.
Hi.
Who hasn't been on my channel in a while, but he basically has been busy with college, right? He has like online classes. He has like a project to film, so he's using my room as the background and my ring light and stuff, because my room is way more aesthetic than his. So yeah, I'm gonna go to his room and work now.
We could be dancing in the stars.
So I'm in Vikram's room now, and his room is literally like part music studio. There's a piano, there are drums, but his desk over here, I just realized I've never actually sat and worked here in this house, but in our old house this actually used to be my study table back when I was in school, so I just feel really nostalgic like sitting here and like working on this desk.
Floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms.
Man, I'm so distracted like working here because Vikram has some really cool things on his desk, half of which were gifts given by me. There's this music box, Harry Potter music box, which I got him from Singapore.
It don't really matter where we stay, 'cause space makes me sad.
So done with lunch, back to work now, and Vikram is making me do editing work for him for free. So I'm just gonna sit and edit his video before I get back to my video. It's basically for his college project.
'Cause space makes me sad.
Taking a break now and going out on a drive. We've got our mask and everything, but I don't think we're gonna be getting off anywhere. So just like randomly driving around Vellore.
Future, don't wanna talk about the things I've done. I got nothing more to say. Stop trying so hard to in my face. You like to hang around different dudes every night and do high.
So for dinner today, my mom is making one of my favorite dishes, sushi. So here's my mom.
Hi.
And during this lockdown, she's actually done a bunch of different cooking classes, and one of the classes was to actually make sushi, which is very impressive. We've made it once at home before and it turned out amazing. So tonight we were in the mood for some sushi, so my mom is quickly making some.
Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind.
So here's my mom, the expert chef, and these are all the ingredients we have. Can you explain what all there is?
I have put the nori sheet, and on top of that, I have put some cooked rice, which is sushi rice.
Okay.
And then I have kept some sauce.
What
I've
sauce
made
is
with
that?
mayonnaise and tomato ketchup and some spices.
Okay.
And I'm just keeping some vegetables here.
So we've got carrot, cucumber,
And
avocado,
I'm cutting avocados and putting.
and zucchini.
Stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day?
Time to roll.
How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away. Watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause
The sushi is ready, and look how amazing this looks. This actually looks like restaurant type sushi, so I'm very excited to eat.
come the sky at night makes me this way.
So we're sitting down to eat now, my mom and I. We have been eating kind of early lately. Like usually my mom eats at 6 and I eat at 7. But today we're eating together and our meal is kind of random. So we have sushi, I have cold coffee, and I also have kheer for some reason. So it's a very random meal. But I'm so excited because in Mumbai, honestly, I would eat sushi at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. So that's how often I'd have it. And obviously, over the last few months, I haven't had it at all, except for that one time when mom made it. So, very excited about tonight's meal.
I have idli upma also.
Okay, mom's eating idli upma also. So, very diverse meal. But let's dig right in.
Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away.
This is so good. This is honestly as good as the ones I've had in expensive restaurants.
Hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me?
All done. That was such a satisfying meal, but I'm so full right now. Done with dinner. I'm just sitting with my parents now.
Hi.
Hi.
And these days we have this ritual where every night we watch one episode of Harshad Mehta. So I'm like a major binge watcher. I think my mom also is like, I'm a pro binge watcher. My mom is like an intermediate binge watcher. But my dad is making us watch like one episode a day. So we're going very slow. But the show's been really nice so far. We've finished 5 episodes and today we're going to watch the 6th episode. So that's what we're going to be doing right now.
'Cause space makes me sad.
So I'm back in my room now and I'm at my desk, and usually Around this time, I do like half an hour of learning. I've signed up for a lot of online courses during this time. So every night for half an hour or 1 hour, I do like a little bit of learning and maybe some reading. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna end this vlog now. Today's ended up being a lot of fun actually. I think the highlight was definitely the sushi. It was so good. I know a lot of people keep asking me to make like a cooking video with my mom, and we've been planning it for so long. Somehow we just never end up doing it, but we're planning to actually make nachos, like nachos from scratch, because I love nachos. So let me know in the comments how you like the sound of that. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Wingardium Leviosa. So I'm just out here in my garden and I've got... Okay, that was not good. Whoops. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier.
History is happening in Manhattan, and we just happen to be in the greatest city in the world. Just you wait. So this is what it feels like to match with someone at your level. What the hell is the catch? It's the feeling of freedom of seeing the light. It's Ben Franklin with a key and a kite. You see it right.